PRESBY Senior High School. Expression. That's not correct. I would allow a bonus. If you can have two answers, I would allow you to take a bonus. Okay. Yes, keep it.
Blinking of the eye.
Blinking, yes, I'll take it. Okay, so informers are fine.
Sharp pulling of the hand when one touches a hot object.
I'm sorry, repeat that.
Pulling of the hand sharply when one touches a hot object.
No. Okay, yes, KINBU. Laughing when one gets tickled. What? Laughing when one gets tickled. No. Informers are minus. Leave your microphone down, bring it down, and don't take it up. Your main question, capital I and small r.
Iridium.
That is KINBU Senior High Technical, capital Z or Z and small r.
Zirconium.
That is correct. Aquinas Senior High School, capital T and small l.
Thulium.
That's not correct. Okay, yes, Thomas Aquinas.
Thallium.
That is correct. Another preamble. A committee is to be selected from 7 boys and 5 girls. In how many ways can this be done if the committee has, I'll take that again. A committee is to be selected from 7 boys and 5 girls. In how many ways can this be done if the committee has PRESBY SHS, 3 boys and 2 girls?
One over
No. A bonus is Aquinas. Aquinas, repeat your answer.
210 ways.
That's correct. KINBU Senior High Technical School, 4 boys and 1 girl. Bonus. Okay. St. Thomas Aquinas.
105 ways.
That's not correct. There's no mark for this, but you can answer. Yes. Adam?
175.
Yes, it's 175. Your own question, Adam. There's only one attempt at it. Once reasonable, that's all. I mean, for a mark. Adam, your own question. 1 boy and 4 girls. That's correct. A preamble. An object is placed in front of a concave spherical mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Find the magnitude of the magnification of the image. The given object distance u. Leaving your answer as an integer or the ratio of 2 integers. I'll take it again. An object is placed in front of a concave spherical mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Find the magnitude of the magnification of the image. The given object distance u. Okay. Find the magnitude of the magnification of the image. Given object distance u. Leaving your answer as an integer or the ratio of 2 integers. PRESBY SHS, u equals 5 centimeters. A bonus. Aquinas.
Four on 3.
That's correct. U equals 30 centimeters. Go ahead.
2.
That's correct. U equals 120 centimeters. Okay, a bonus to St. Thomas Aquinas.
1 on 5.
That's correct. Preamble. Mention the respiratory structure of the following organisms. Mention the respiratory structures of the following organisms. PRESBY SHS lab. Protozoan. A bonus. Yes, Adam.
Cell membrane.
Okay. St. Thomas Aquinas. Platyhelminthes.
The body surface.
That's correct. Annelids. A bonus to Adam.
Nephridia.
The what?
Nephridia.
No. What answer did you have, Aquinas?
Protonephridia.
No. I have the skin. Okay, Adam. Mollusks. Mollusks.
Girls.
That's correct. Determine the value of the EMF produced from an electrochemical cell formed from the following species, given their reduction potentials. It's a preamble, I'll take it again. Determine the value of the EMF produced from an electrochemical cell formed from the following species, given their reduction potentials. PRESBY SHS lab. A reaction between Cu2 plus /Cu E naught is 0.337 volts and Na plus /Na, the E naught is negative 2.71 volts. A bonus. Aquinas.
.05 volts.
That's correct. Aquinas. A reaction between Sn2 plus /Sn E naught is negative 0.137 volts and Fe2 plus /Fe, the E naught is negative 0.450 volts. Go ahead.
0.313 volts.
That's correct. A reaction between Cr2 plus /Cr E naught is negative 0.890 volts and Pb4 plus /Pb2 plus, the E naught is 1.67 volts. That's not correct. Aquinas.
2.56 volts.
That's correct. Adam. A reaction between Ti2 plus /Ti E naught is negative 0.163 volts and Mn3 plus /Mn2 plus, the E naught is 1.56 volts.
.723 volts.
No. Okay, yes, Aquinas.
1.72 volts.
That's correct. Evaluate this is a preamble. Evaluate the numerical expression. Evaluate the numerical expression. PRESBY SHS. 87 squared minus 13 squared. Yes, Aquinas.
7,400.
That's correct. Aquinas. 65 squared minus 35 squared. Yes. 47 squared minus 53 squared. Yes, Dada.
600.
That's not correct. What answer did you have?
600.
Negative 600. Ada, one question. 72 squared minus 28 squared.
$4,400.
No, that's I hope for this you weren't solving KINBU, you weren't multiplying 47 by 47, then 53 by 53 before. That'll take you all your time. So if you have a squared minus b squared, that's a minus b, a plus b. And you realize that it was a very simple arithmetic to do. Our last set of questions for this round. Find the magnitude of the average stopping force on a 50 kilogram object moving with speed v when it stops in time t. Find the magnitude of the average stopping force on a 50 kilogram object moving with speed v when it stops in time t. PRESBY SHS. V equals 5 meters per second and t equals 10 seconds. That's not correct. Aquinas.
25 Newton.
That's correct. The only question Aquinas. V equals 16 meters per second and t equals 8 seconds. Go ahead.
100 Newton.
That's correct. V equals 20 meters per second and t equals 5 seconds. That's correct. Adam. V equals 40 meters per second and t equals 40 seconds.
50 Newton.
That is correct. That brings us to the end of round one. biology question I asked them that each school give me a common reflex that the human body undergoes every day. This was the question. And Aquinas said the removal of your hand when you touch a hot object. So even though that is a reflex action, it doesn't occur every day, because if in the whole year you haven't touched the hot object, that reflex action won't happen. So the question was testing what the body itself will do without any external what do you call it, stimuli or whatever, yes, but I've spoken to the consultant, so he's happy for me to give partial mark for that. So I'll give 2 out of 3 for that. Because of that, I think, was it Adam or KINBU who said, when you are allowed? Okay, KINBU, I also give partial mark for that, 2 out of 3. And also, so I just wanted to correct that for education. So, in Aquinas challenge, they said the removal of the hand when the hot object is touched is the same as the bicep reflex. That is not the same. So, just to correct that. So, it's a reflex, all right, but it is not the bicep reflex. Okay. At the end of the first round, here are the scores. PRESBY SHS Lab, 0 points. KINBU Senior High Technical School, 9 points. Ada Senior High School, 14 points. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School, 33 points. This brings us to round 2. Round 2 is the speed race. And in this round, unlike the first, every question I read out is open to all the schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell can answer for 3 points if they are correct. So the first answer is incorrect. The second school can ring their bell, but for 2 points if the second answer is correct. If the second answer is also incorrect, a third school can ring their bell, the fourth school can ring their bell. At that point, the question is worth only 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, -1 from the marks you've already accrued. So our first question for this round. The lengths of the sides of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:5:6. The perimeter is 208 centimeters. Find the length of each side. Yes, Aquinas.
The lengths of the sides are 26 centimeters, 39 centimeters, 65 centimeters, and 78 centimeters.
That's correct. Given that I squared equals -1, simplify the expression. Bracket open, 5 minus 3i, bracket closed. Another bracket open, 5 plus 3i, bracket closed. Yes, Aquinas.
A squared.
No. Ada.
Into bracket A plus H all squared.
Repeat that.
In bracket A plus H all squared.
No. KINBU.
A squared plus 2AH plus H squared.
No. I'll continue. F of the expression A plus H minus F of A. All of this are read over H. No, you are out. The question is for PRESBY messages. Okay, but you can give us your answer. It's a microphone.
2x.
No, there's no X here. Aquinas, what answer do you have?
Plus H.
Yes. So you honestly didn't believe that I had to take my time to read F of A of H, F of A plus H. You should just take your time. Okay. Our next question. How can a farmer convert acidic soil to neutral soil? Okay, Aquinas.
By the addition of lime to the acidic soil. So the lime will neutralize acidic soil from a neutral soil.
Addition of what?
Lime, which is a base, which will neutralize the acidic soil from a neutral soil.
No. Adam.
The addition of calcium hydroxide to the soil to neutralize the acidity of the soil.
No. Okay. Unless the chemist here is calcium hydroxide the same as quicklime? No. Okay. So is the addition of quicklime or slaked lime solution to the soil? Now, find out that's not the same as lime. Is that okay? What name is given to the process of division of cytoplasm of a cell? Adam.
Cytokinase.
We spell that.
Cytokinase.
K-I-N-A-S-E. No, that's not correct. Okay, I'll give you one last chance to spell it. Of 0.0010 mole per dm³ concentration. Adam.
The pH is equal to 3.
Yes. What is the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction H2O plus PBr3 given HBr plus H3PO3? It's 8. What is the oxidation state of carbon in C2H6? Aquinas.
0.
No. Adam.
-3.
That's correct. An object moves in a circle of radius 2 meters at a constant angular speed of 2 rad per second. What is the magnitude of the acceleration of... Yes. Aquinas.
8 meters per second squared.
That's correct. Find the mass of 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 2 meter cube of a liquid whose density is 750 kilogram per meter cube. Aquinas. Aquinas, your answer.
1.2 times 10 to the power 1 kilograms.
And what is that? 1.2 times, what is that?
12 kilograms.
Hey, okay, that is correct. Because you don't want to finish, so you are reading out the equation to me, and now you have to say 1.2 when you just want to say 12. These are your tricks. Okay. Our last question for this round. Express the SI unit of pressure in SI base units. Yes, Aquinas.
Kilogram per meter second squared.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of our quiz. At the end of the second round, here are the scores. PRESBY Senior High Schooler, 0 points. KINBU Senior High Technical School, 11 points. Advanced Senior High School, 16 points. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School, 47 points. Before we go on to round 3, we'll make these substitutions. St. Thomas Aquinas would like the Seedu Boache to come on for Philip. And then KINBU Senior High Technical School would like Sarah Adi to come on for Michael Anna. So welcome to Sarah and Watting. Round 3. In round 3, I'll make a series of statements in school. And for every statement I make, I want you to tell me if it's true or false. If you answer correctly, you have 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer or you are bailed out, another school can take up your question by ringing their bell. And it's for the same rules. If they answer correctly, they also have 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, it's a penalty point of 1. And in this round, I'm going to start with St. Thomas Aquinas. Aquinas, the center of mass of a 2-particle system lies along the line joining the particles.
True.
Yes, it's true. KINBU. The center of mass of a 2-particle system lies between the particles. No, it's true. Ada. The center of mass of a 2-particle system bisects the line drawn from one particle to the other.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. If 2 particles have equal mass, their center of mass equals half the sum of their position vectors. False. No, it's true. St. Thomas Aquinas, a primary alcohol can be oxidized to give an alkanone.
False.
It's false, yes. KINBU. A primary alcohol may be oxidized to give an alkene. Yes, it's false. Ada. A primary alcohol may be oxidized to give an alkanal.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. PRESBY. A primary alcohol may be oxidized to give a carboxylic acid. Yes, that's true. St. Thomas Aquinas, the cell wall is the outermost part of the animal cell, and the cell membrane is the outermost part of the plant cell.
False.
Yes, that's false. KINBU. Cell walls are present in plants, fungi, and in some bacteria, but cell membranes are present in all types of cells, including humans, animals, bacteria, and plants. Yes, that's true. The structure of the cell membrane is fixed, but the cell wall can be changed as per the requirements of the cell.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. PRESBY SHS. The cell wall of fungi consists of chitin and cellulose. No. It's false. A preamble. As x increases in the interval 90 degrees less than x less than 180. As x increases in the interval 90 degrees less than x less than 180 degrees. St. Thomas Aquinas, cos x increases steadily.
False.
Yes, it's false. KINBU, cosec x increases steadily. Yes, it's true. Adam, tan x increases steadily.
It's false.
No, it's true. PRESBY SHS, sin x increases steadily.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. A body slides on a plane inclined at an angle to the horizontal. A body slides on a plane inclined at an angle to the horizontal. Aquinas, the work done by friction as the body slides down is positive.
False.
It's false, yes. KINBU, the work done by friction as the body slides down is negative. Yes, that is true. Ada, the work done by friction is positive as the body is pushed up the plane.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. PRESBY SHS, friction cannot do work when the object moves up the plane.
False.
Yes, that is false. St. Thomas Aquinas, HBr is a polar molecule.
True.
Yes, it's true. KINBU, BeCl2 is a polar molecule. At the end of round 3, here are the scores. PRESBY SHS last 7 points. KINBU Senior High Technical School 21 points. Ada Senior High School 26 points. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School 63 points. Round 4. In round 4, I have 4 riddles. I want you to solve for, and I'll read out clues to these riddles. To each riddle, I have a set of clues I'll read out. Whilst I'm reading, if you have an answer, you ring your bell, I'll stop and allow you to answer. If your answer is correct on the first clue, you have 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, you have 3 points. However, if your answer is incorrect, stay out of that particular riddle, and the other schools will compete for it, so we get the correct answer. For the same rules, nothing changes. 5 first clue, 4 second clue, and then 3 after that. Okay, so our first riddle. I am a dye. I exist in 2 chemical forms based on pH. My 2 forms exhibit different colors. I exhibit my color change within the pH range of 3.1 to 4.4. My acid form is red, while my basic form is yellow. Who am I? Yes, Adam, Senior High.
Enough talent.
No. St. Thomas Aquinas.
Methyl orange.
that is correct. Our next riddle. My name comes from a Greek word which means windpipe. I am part of the circulatory system. I have a blood pressure higher than other parts of the circulatory system. I take blood from the heart to one other.
Aorta.
No. St. Thomas Aquinas.
Pulmonary artery.
No. And I'll continue. I take blood away from the heart to one or more parts of the body. I carry blood that is oxygenated. Who am I? Yes, KINBU.
Artery.
Yes, it's artery. Our next riddle. I am a trigonometric function. I am a function of the form y equals f of x. Within the interval in which I am defined, I am always increasing. I have an extreme range from negative infinity to positive infinity on the interval negative pi on 2 less than x less than pi. Yes, Adam.
Tangent.
No. St. Thomas Aquinas.
Cotangent.
No. I'll continue. So the interval is minus pi on 2 less than x less than pi on 2. I am a measure of the steepness of a straight line. I am undefined for x equals pi on 2. Who am I? Yes, KINBU.
You are the sign.
No. Our last riddle. I am a physical quantity. I am a scalar quantity. My x. At the end of round 4, here are the scores. PRESBY SHS last 7 points. KINBU SHTS 24 points. Ada SHS 26 points. St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School 69 points. For this A contest, regional qualifier from the Greater Accra region, St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School gives us that convincing win. Congratulations. We'll see you, and with that, they qualify for the regional championship tomorrow and also the national championship later on in the year. Well done. Better luck next time to our other schools.